Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the device settings on your account on booking.com easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application, then go to your account, and now go to the device preferences. Now as you see here, we have device settings, so you can change the language, the currency, the units, the temperature, notifications. So all these you can manage as you like. Also the appearance, so you can change the appearance to dark theme. So that's it. That's how to manage the device settings on your account on booking.com easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.